Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and today's video I'm going to be reviewing the BlowDart blaster that I was sent from a fan, actually two fans, via FanMail. Now, their names are Ian Center and DJ Lightning Rhino. They're both amazing people, and I'm actually kind of glad that they sent me these blasters. I just want to say thanks again to both of them for making this review and the Brainsaw review possible. So let's go into the basics of what this is. This is essentially just a piece of like thin plastic, followed by two connection points for sling, and then another sling point, along with a tactical rail here. Have no idea why a tactical rail would be useful for this, but I guess it would be nice to have. Maybe you could actually flip it upside down and have a grip right here, and then kind of like blow into it the same way. You could probably add a shield, although the shields would be nice, yet it would be pointless. You could probably add a scope, you could add a bipod, tripod, whatever floats your fancy. The way this, I think so the way it works is it's like a musket. So you just load the dart in, and minus the fact with muskets you have to use a giant rod and push the dart in. This just glides right in, and I don't need to explain the instructions. It's fairly simple. You just drop a dart in, or two or three, depending on how many darts you want to throw at people, let alone just spit at people. You kind of put your mouth or your lips kind of. Okay, let me do a little zoom in here. You put your lips here, or somewhere around this area, or on this mouthpiece or something, and then blow. That's it. Like I should have never really explained the instructions because they're pretty straightforward. You can't screw it up. I also wanted to see if I could just fling it, and I guess I can. Where did that dart go? Alright, so flinging doesn't work. Flick it like a wand from Harry Potter. Alright, so with medium air blow power, doesn't go that far. So I'm gonna try one more with just maximum. Now I'll show one to the camera, or a couple more to the camera. Alright, so I don't know if I can do this correctly. I'm going to be aiming for that picture right there. The one I think it's the camera's inverted. Yep. So it's gonna be in the viewfinder. It's gonna be the one on the left. My left, or you'll figure it out. I'm aiming just directly at the picture. So regardless of how fast or how hard you blow into this essentially tube-like Nerf piece, the darts can vary between how hard you blow, or how quick you blow into it, or something like that. I don't hate this blaster, but it's just, there's nothing really to review it by. It's just you're basing on how much air capacity you have in your lungs, followed by, are you a smoker, a vapor, or do you do drugs, and does that affect your lung capacity? Regardless, this blaster is a little hard to review. Now, it does have a tactical rail, it does have sling points, and it's very simple to probably just hook it around hold it like, what's the word? Sheath it like a sword or something, but if you're ever going to use this is probably like close range firing distance. Because from me to that door where I was blowing the first two darts, that sounded awful, by the way. Anyway, from me to this door, the ranges, they were dropping it about halfway through. So I mean, it would be a nice collector's piece, but then again, though, it's not going to get the best performances. It's preferably comparing to the Micro Shots collectibles. Those have the same distance and range and accuracy and such. I do admit this is actually it was a little cool at first, and then as soon as I'm testing it out now and a little bit off camera, it's like it still looks cool. It doesn't perform well, but it looks cool. So honestly, there's really nothing I can really review this on. It is a cool blaster, but it's at the same time it's not really a blaster. It's a tube with a stopper at the end. You can make these for cheaper with PVC and CPVC and such. Actually, not CPVC. That's too tight for the dart. But essentially, you could use, what I'm trying to say is, go off camera, the whole parts here. If you use this 3/4 PVC, this is good enough for, I think, mega darts actually. Oh yes, definitely. And it's like front loaded. Mega darts seem to go further and harder. But at the same time, it's just, it's like you have to reload every shot, and it's like a sniper rifle but worse. So my point being with this dart blaster is, it would be a nice collector's piece, but it's just not the best for out on the field. Plus, it feels like you can probably snap this in two if you really wanted to. Or if you got really mad one day and just wanted to snap something, so you'd snap this in half. God, I'm awful today. Anyway, to end this BlowDart blaster review, I'm gonna probably give it 5 out of 10. It performs but it would be a nice prop. You could probably gut some of the parts here and make it into like a wand for Harry Potter, but that's just about it. Maybe you can make it into something else. Maybe even to like a scope even. Cut it in half and then make this into a scope and then attach it to a Nerf gun. That would be sick. And one last thing is, I forgot to mention, this is a one-piecer. And what I mean by one-piecers one piece is it's built into one piece, and that's the phone ringing. Anyway, this has been built into one piece, means that there are no screws anywhere. You can't take this apart. It's like the Micro Shots. The Micro Shots, which I realized were collectible items, not actual, like, functioning, proper performance blasters. Anyway, long story short, this cannot be taken apart by the looks of things. There are no screws. Don't even know if this thing comes off or not. Or this. Looks like it's pretty much glued in. Although, if you can prove me wrong, well, let me know. Anyway, 5 out of 10 for the BlowDart blaster from Nerf. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. And thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you really want to, click the bell for the notifications if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you, and have a good day, you guys. 5 out of 10.